everyone. In this video I will going to demonstrate how to raise consumption in ERP. This will be your login screen. Here you will going to enter your email address, like here I am entering the email address of an employee. In password you will enter the password of particular employee. Now click on login button. After login into ERP, navigate to inventory. Then click on consumptions. In order to create new consumption system, click on create button. A form will open as soon as you will click on create button. In partner name, you will select your name because you are creating this consumption. In schedule date, you will select the date in which you are creating this consumption. And in transfer date, you will select the date in which you will going to validate this consumption. Source location is not needed to enter because this is a consumption, so source location is not required. No need to change destination location. In project you will select the project for which you are entering this particular consumption. In product line you will select the project for which you are entering the consumption, and in done quantity you will enter the quantity which have been processed or which have been used. Now after entering the products, click on additional info. In operation type you will select the location or place for which you are entering the consumption. For example, here I am selecting the H. I am making this consumption for the H location. Now click on save button. After save you can cancel this particular consumption if you want by clicking on cancel button. Now this consumption is ready state. Further processing will be done on this consumption by inventory executive or manager or head. In order to process the consumption further, inventory head, executive or manager will navigate to inventory. Then they will click on consumptions. They will open those consumption which is in ready state. For example, I'm opening this consumption because it is in ready state. I will verify all the details related to this. In order to validate this particular consumption, I will click on validate button. I can even print this particular consumption by clicking on print button. This way the whole process of consumption will be completed, and the employee will able to see all the status related to his consumption. For example, here both the consumptions are in done state because they have been validated by inventory executive.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.